time, guys.
So, not oh. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung next plan, pero tapos na kayo dito, tapos na kayo mag-shopping. Yan, parang may bagyo guys. Tingnan nyo yung weather. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, ang lamig. Here. Kinarga niya si Holly kasi ang daming mayroong tubig ba. Wait, wait. Okay, you can put her down now, kuya. Okay, get in. Okay, I will hold this. Wait, Zach. Go, kuya.
I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try.
Ang pangit ng weather. Malakas ang ulan at saka mahangin kaya sobrang lamig. Papunta kami sa may titingnan si sino ba yan? Si Kylie na model house. Is that what you call that? Model house? Daddy? Yeah. What's that? This display home. So may titingnan kaming display home kasi sila Kylie may plano silang magpatayo ng bahay. So titingnan namin etong display home dito. Dalawa atang bahay ang pupunta namin. So yeah, yun ang next plan. Si Holly pala tulog ko. Napagod na siya. And the boys, si Sa. Huli ka sa. Nakakantok nga naman ang weather, oh.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.
Open? Gustong tingnan ni Jan etong double story na bahay. Ha? What?
I want ours to be like all that square
All
stuff
glass.
all the way along the front.
Yeah.
Have terrace out one side, don't know where, but I want it chunky
Hey, kid.
front and the bottom.
Wait.
Oh, nasabi niya lang sa akin. Okay. What color you want?
White.
White. Yeah. Same. Gusto ko yung white. Kasi in the future, right, honey? Hinahanap niya. Marami na siyang picture na gusto namin na bahay. Hinihintay lang talaga namin yung mga bata na lumaki-laki silang konti para naman hindi maging madumi yung loob ng bahay. Kasi syempre, lalo si Holy Diyos ko mahilig mag-drawing. Let me see, Han. Ayan yung dream house niya. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not this gap here and
No,
that,
no, no,
like that, but
but
just
all flush.
like
Yeah.
flat
Flush.
windows.
Yep.
Yeah. So, tingnan natin ito. Tapos na tayo dun sa dalawa.
Square. Have one there, like for the balcony bit and the roof bit. Yeah. Something like
Now,
that
John.
with windows, not the windows.
John, if you have a look through that book that I've...
Okay, no touching, okay? Don't touch, Papa. So, ito yung entrance. Oh, no touching the wall, ha? No touching the wall. Look at this one.
So our original plan
What's
was
this?
only 2.5 through the whole lot.
Your study room. Office. Yeah. Ang lamig naman dito. Oh, look at this. Small hand. Maliit lang siya. Yeah. Ito yung stairs. Mamaya pa tayo dyan. Ano ito? Display office only. Storage. Don't touch the wall, ho, Zach. Not yet. You're not going upstairs yet, Zach. Will you wait for us? Excited na siya sa taas.
John, I'll tell you right now, upstairs is the kids' area.
Yeah. So, ito yung laundry room. Their bathroom. Kids' bathroom.
You know what you don't
Bigger, a little bit bigger.
built up? There's shits to clean. You want
Yeah,
to flush
flat.
the bench. and all round
So this is
tucked.
the kids up here.
Yeah. Maliit. Maliit lang siya. Here, there's the shower. Maliit.
Nice little steps and that.
Toilet. Maganda kasi malaki yung mirror. So parang pang kids lang. Kids room. Parang malaki siya tingnan, oh, kasi may mirror. Han, have you seen this? DJ, wait, okay? Wait for us. So, akyat na tayo. Hindi natin ito nakita. Mayroon pa pala dito, oh. Oh, eto kay PJ, kay Zach, and then yung kay Holly yung kanina. Akyat na tayo.
Upstairs is real good now.
Really good. Nauna na kasi sila. Ha? What? What's that? Yeah. I want this facing there. Okay. That's right. Yun talaga ang plano namin.
And you want all that big window?
Ito yung sink ba, facing dito para nakaharap sa kung saan man yan. Yes, hon? What? Main bedroom? Huh? Wow! Uh-oh. What's this? Look at this one.
Look, John,
Here, we got a lot.
have a look at that.
I love this too.
Yeah, katulad kila ma'am. Double? Double.
showers,
Yeah.
Toilet in on there, two
Yeah.
shower heads.
Pero hindi ganyan. Gusto ko yung isa yung flat.
You need that closed separate.
What's that?
Toilet separate.
I'm gonna do on there even.
And you want 300 by 300.
No, this is pretty nice.
Yeah.
And you know what, John?
But we want a walk-in closet,
Yeah,
Hunter.
this room will be on
At the back. Yeah.
you just get them to swap it all.
Yeah, swap.
You know what else you want?
That's it.
That's it.
Look at the living room. Pero eto, facing talaga to doon. Hindi ganyan. Tapos ayun yung couch.
That's what I want around a couple of times. On one of the sides, probably.
Eto yung pagoda.
Southeast in summer.
So what? Do you want like this, Han?
We could get
Can we open?
that.
Can you open this, Han?
No, can't I?
You can. Yeah, it's locked. Sayang, hindi natin makita. Pero ayan
You have
yung...
a look, I bet you through.
You cannot see. Yeah, makikita nyo.
Clean, find clean, and then look at the front of it.
Ayan yung pagola. Maganda kasi may may cover. Napaka-colorful. Pinag-usapan pag nag-grocery ba, mahirap daw umakyat pero magpapagawa si dyan yung parang lift para lang sa grocery sa garage ba. No, I don't like this kind, Han. I want like the first one. Yeah, like that one. Big one. Yeah. Why you what? You never cook.
And Joe, we're having these like this, three of them.
But I like this one. See how wide?
I want to ask them.
Bigger? Okay. One day. This is nice. Look.
Another area,
You get your own balcony, Han.
another area there.
Yeah, another balcony.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
That's right.
Careful. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit like busy, small. Yung sa baba, maliit tingnan. Where I'm gonna put the Christmas tree over there. Big TV, huh? Wow! Nagdidim na siya. Ang ganda. Yeah, it's alright for me like this. Yeah. No, I just like plain. Nice. It's good. Ano siya, rough. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. Colleen? No. No. You like this house, Kuya? Do you like this house? Is this the dream house for you, Zach? About story? Dream house yan ni Zach.
We're having downstairs at the house.
That's your area.
That's massive.
Huh? Gustong-gusto na ni Zach. How much? Did you ask how much? I like this. Ang laki, ha? Yeah. But this is good, big. But ay hindi ganito yung cabinet. Yeah. But the oven is too small. Coffee machine for John. No, that's the lift.
He's sick.
Baba na tayo. Hi, girls. Boys, come on. Come on.
What?
Yung baba na medyo very narrow. This is small house. Look at this, Holly. Is this your room, Baba? But I don't like that blind. Huh? Ito, ayaw ko to kasi nagugulo yan. Ito yung ang labas. Come on, let's go. We're done here. Tanong natin kung magkano to. Si Kylie magtatanong. Mahihayin yan, oh. Ayaw magtanong kung magkano to. Nice?
I want that, but I want that again here as well.
Around. Yeah, but do you want that cover, honey? So no rains coming, like the pagoda?
I want a bounce.
A balcony with a cover. No, that one here. The balcony here.
Fill it all in.
Yeah. So ito, kumuha tayo ng book dito sa gallery living and ayan yung kanya. Okay. Kinuha rin to ni Jan. He's a nice guy. Yeah. Ang galing niya as in, ayan. It's gonna be wider here, right, huh?
Yeah.
Gonna be wider. Yeah, malaki kasi yung lote.
Yeah, and look.
Ayan, gusto ni Jan ito.
John, you'd have the kitchen in the middle, the meals one side, the
Ang ganda kasi, maliwalas kasi.
other right.
Nice. Ayan guys. Picturean ko daw yung angle nito. What do you think, honey? Nice. So, kumuha kami ng
Right.
si Kuya marunong sa pasikat-sikat dito. Ito, kumuha kami nitong isa. Ito yung gallery living. Ito yung double story na pinunta namin. Tapos, what's the other one? Metricon, huh? Is it Metricon?
Yeah, Metricon there.
No, maganda yung Metricon din. Yung first house, maganda talaga siya. Ayan, kumuha rin kami.
Then around this, we've got to go left.
Laki ng kalbi dito. Oh. Stop tayo dito kasi si Jan, nagki-crave na siya ng coffee niya. Kahapon pa siya hindi nakakapag-coffee.
Do you want this drink again?
So, tingnan niya kung meron dito.
I'll bring it you.
Ayan, nakahanap siya ng coffee niya. Okay.
Put one down in your door.
Okay, yun yung coffee niya kanina. Ito ba yung... Han, there's another one! Jan! Another one. Ito yung coffee niya kanina. Here, honey. Thank you. Where we going next, Han?
It's back to the road.
Sa hotel. Alam nyo ba, ang oras is 3:05 pa lang. Pero sa labas, tingnan nyo na, oh. Ang pangit kasi ng weather. And yung dalawa, nanonood ng footy. Oh, si Dad, nakikinig si Jan. And where's my Holly? Eating. Sit down back, Baba, please. Naka-seatbelt yan. Tinanggal niya lang yung kanyang strap.
Oh my
Tingnan nyo na, oh. Dito tayo. May card na kami kaya hindi na namin kakausapin si ate. Oh my God. Sobrang taas lang nito. And full speeding! Tingnan niyo si Holly. Kinuha niya yung backpack niya kasi naiwan niya to sa car. Tapos naka crossbody bag pa siya. Honey, please get your shoes please. Thank you. Okay, let's wait. Car? Okay. Yes.
Be nice and warm in the room.
Lamig-lamig ngayon. Okay.
I need to go.
Okay, you can go. Go. Okay. Come on here, Baba. Baba here.
Oh, I can see you.
Hoy, Baba, this way. Gutom na ako. Ang cute ni Holly.
They can come in behind.
Are they here? Not yet. Excited na siya sa kanyang shoes. Ew. I don't like it, Nak. I don't like. Kadiri. And eto, titingnan namin to ni Jan mamaya. Asan yung isa? Where's the other one?
Feel a little bit heavy on the foot.
Dito. What size are you, Ko? Oh, same as John. Go try it, hon.
Those are, I like those.
Yeah, the gray one, I like that too. Both, I like it. And I like that one. You got lots of shoes, honey.
I go out.
Wait, can I do it?
You go out a lot, huh? No makeup, Baba. Gusto niyang makeup on si Holly.
Carpets will go yucky.
Yucky, yeah. And that table there. Yeah.
Look at my one.
Holly, you can't have everything, Holly.
That's right. You cannot have everything. We don't have. It's too late that we're not in the mall, Baba.
Here, take your shoes off, bub.
We got that at home. Remember? You found that one, the Play-Doh. Remember, Papa? Remember we have purple. Yeah, when you get tomorrow, you can play that one. How? You can ask.
We're here now. We can't get it. We're not at the shop.
Pinapagalitan
Daisy,
siya.
Roman, if you want to cry, don't come out.
Yes, Baba, you cannot have everything.
You don't want slime, you know why?
You know what? It's gonna go. What? Ah, shoelace. Tingnan si Sako. And kainin ko tong ano nga to sa atin? Sa amin sa Bicol, atis ang tawag nito. Ang hinog nyo na. Tapos meron pa akong isa, tsaka singkamas nandyan. Nagutom mo. You got socks.
These Billabong.
Yum. Ang tamis. Ang sarap. Nagmo-model si Joe kasi yung mga binili niya, sinusukat niya. Pangalawan niya na yan. Say nice. Sinabi kasi siya ni Jan na bumili ng katulad niyang pants. Una, ayaw niya. Casual. Nice, Joe. You got nice. Nagyayabangan ang dalawa ng pormahan. Hindi ko na-film kasi nakatawa ko sa kanila. Hindi pa siya tapos mag-shoelace. From head to toe si Joe. Oh, bago. Siya ang mag-best friend. Ayan si Jan. Sukatin niya na yung kanya.
And for James and shit.
James, that's right. These are good for James, too.
Yeah. He can't shoot anymore, idiot. Why are you scared?
Gusto niya sana sleep on. They don't have a sleep on, right, Han?
Yeah, they got slip on.
Ah, they got.
Well, I feel wicked.
Why is it sticky?
They're brand new, mate.
No, not for that.
Nice, honey. Why there's a blue on the side, Han? What's that?
A what?
Blue.
Oh, that's from soft. Yeah, it's
She
alright.
knows she's recording.
I can beep that one, don't worry.
They feel heaps better than the ones in the shop that I bought.
Why?
These ones.
But the same style, honey.
Both them shops. Seen three I like. Haven't got that. I like this one, that. Now, 3 times 3.
Wala talaga sa kanya.
Give up, and then I was at the surf shop and I was, oh, you got shoes?
Yeah, mag-give up na sana siya. Doon pa sa hindi pang sapatusan na bilihan talaga siya nakahanap. Sa mga pang surf yun eh. Try that one on. Is it light, hon? Is it light?
These are heavier
Than the gray
than these
one.
ones, but
It's alright.
They're actually skate shoes, that's why they're flat on the bottom like that.
they're flat too. Oh, these?
Ah, it's
Well, I was
pang
going to get into
skateboard daw yan na sapatos.
But they take it too.
Yeah.
I've done well, I think.
Yes, you did, hon. Thanks, babe.
Thanks, sweetie, for my...
Oh, welcome. Good?
These feel a little bit...
It looks nice, hon.
It's a little bit flatter. These feel real spongy.
Sa sapatos, napaka-specific niya rin kung ano yung feel. Gusto niya talaga comfortable siya kaysa looks. Ayun yung looks, basta dapat comfortable sa kanya. Looks nice, hon.
These feel...
Good? Is that the one like I gave you, the Adidas one? Remember?
Feel wicked, them ones.
Feel wicked daw yung isa.
Because they're good dress shoes. I've got a pair of $20 ones. Catch it.
Kuya, dirty there. Get up.
Get up.
Ayan, naubos ko yung isang atis. Nabusog ako. Meron pa akong isa. Ayan, hinog na rin to. And singkamas na may pinakurat. Tsaka asin. Yum. Tapos na siya magsuka. Tsaka yung kaibigan niya. Mamaya papasok ulit yun. Nag-order kaming pizza. Wallet. Nandito na yung
We got food. You're hungry.
Domino's. Yeah, nag-order na lang kami kasi nag-try kami magpa-book sa restaurant para magkaroon kami ng decent, dinner. Kasi ilang araw na rin kami parang fast food lagi. Kaso, lagi silang full na lobat. So yun nga, gusto namin magkaroon sana ng decent na dinner. Kaso, yung mga restaurant ay full yung mga restaurant, guys, kasi nga di ba parang may lang kung ilan lang pwede sa loob ng restaurant. This is mine. Oh, this is mine. Sobrang gutom na ako. Yes, eto sa akin. Garlic prawns pizza. And nagsukat ako ng binili ko kanina. Kaya ganyan ang ating that may tag pa. Okay, kain tayo, guys. Ayan. Pizza.
TJ and Zoe getting Domino's.
Yeah, Domino's. Kasi yun lang yung pwedeng pwedeng order. Pepperoni, Zach? This is mommy. Gusto rin to ni Zach. Okay, I'll share it with you, Zach. Oh, nahulog. Yummy. Kain. Oh, this is mine now. Ito mo si John.
Red. Big jar after this. Alright. There's... Oh, there it is there. You got yours. That's good. We got them all? Oh, yeah.
Well,
Don't make a mess. On the floor, couch, anywhere.
yummy.
That's a steakhouse.
Ringing?
The ladies' room?
Baba kami guys kasi nag-order ako ng milk tea, Uber Eats, and may tag daw ako sa... yeah, it's alright, honey. Nag-order ako...
I'll get it off.
No, it's alright.
I'll chuck it in.
Okay, let's go there. Nag-order ako ng milk tea. Tapos, hindi ba inas yung address ko? So, nagtaka ako. Sabi ko, bakit hindi inas yung address ko pag-order ko ng milk tea sa Uber Eats? So, kinabahan ako. Pagtingin ko, yung last ko tong ginamit, nandun ako kila cafe. So kinutuban ako. Sabi ko, Han, I think they're gonna deliver it to Cali. And, tinawagan ko. Tapos natatlak mo kasi sila. So, yun nga. Doon siya nag-deliver kila Kati. Tapos kinausap ko siya, tinawag. Yeah, he said it's in the building, the parking. Kasi cannot come inside. So, hanapin lang muna namin si Kuya. Maybe that one. Ay, malamig. Yeah. Is that guy? So, sinamahan ako ni John. Overeats. I think this one. Yeah. Hi! Thank you! Thank you for coming down here. Thank you. See ya!
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you. Binigyan ko siya ng ano. Di ba bayad na yan pag overeats? Tapos, nung tinawagan ko siya, tinanong ko kung pwede niyang i-deliver dito kung nasaan kami. Dito sa Embassy Oaks. The Embassy Oaks. Sabi niya, yeah, no worries, sabi niya. Tapos sabi ko, do I have to pay you? Sabi ko, sabi niya, just give me something. Kahit ano daw, kahit magkano. So, ginaw ko siya. Sabi ko, if I give you $1, is that alright? Natawa siya. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, is it alright if you can give me $10? Sabi ko, yeah. So, ang layo kaya yun. Kila Kati, papunta dito. Siguro mga, how many minutes from here, Han? To Kati? 20 to 25 minutes. And traffic pa yan. Tapos, binigyan ko siya $15. Binigyan ni John. Sabi niya, give him $15. It's too far. So, binigyan namin siya $15. Yung milk tea ko, mura lang ito, guys. Magkano ito? $8.50 plus, dalawa siya. So, parang binayaran ko 20, something like that. Plus, siguro mga 25 ko. Ang binayaran ko, 30. Kasi plus yung ano pa, delivery fee. Tapos nagbayad ulit ako ng 15. So parang napakaginto nito milk tea to. Ano to yung gong cha. Kumuha ko yung taro tsaka yung regular lang. Taro, yung isa i-try ko kasi. Ay na, ang bait ni kuya. Yan ang bait niya. Sinamahan niya talaga ako tsaka dinagdagan niya. Wala na kasing cash din. Sabi ko nga 20 or 20 sana kasi wala nang cash. Okay? Okay. Kain tayo ng pizza. Ang bait ni kuya. Hoy. Mamadali siya. Ha? That's from mommy. Diba? This is mine. Tingnan nyo na yung pizza ko, guys. Yung order kong prawns, oh. Yan na lang yung natitira. Si Sak kasi paborito niya rin yun. Did you eat it all, Hoss? Hoy, did you eat all my prawns? Look at this, honey. Look what happened to my thing. So, ilagay ko muna sa rep etong isa yung taro. Ito, oh. Nagpalagay akong extra toppings na red bean, tapos jelly. Sanang kinuha ko yung pearl. Meron na kasi yung isa. Ilagay muna natin yan dyan. And eto yung regular. Ang dami nitong pinalagay ko. Merong rainbow jelly, red beans, tapos yung regular na tapioca. Ay! Ang mahal niyang tea. Pero, nagkikrave talaga ako. Ito pa yung isa kahapon, oh. Sa coco yan.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
What is that?
Coffee.
Hey. Oh, I had a drink of that. What's in the coffee? You say it, bro.
Milk tea.
Oh.
So, lahat silang reaction nila dito, hindi masarap.
Holy fuck, I didn't know. I thought that was just decoration on the thing. That's actually in the coffee.
Did you drink it? Did you get one? Did you get jelly?
Yeah, I sucked up something up the straw.
May sardinas daw sa amin nito. Yeah, I haven't tried this, Sandra.
I had a sip of it.
Ang sarap kaya. No? Tapos na silang kumain. And si Jan, tsaka si Joe. Si Han, bili sila ng tubig. And coffee ni Kylie. We got water there, Ham. Just get one. Another one? There's no water. Okay, get one water, please. See ya. Ayan na yung natirang pizza. Oh. Ang init. Nanonood sila ng showdown na Port Adelaide. Don't shake it, Baba. Kabalik na sila. That's so little. That's all they have? Ah! Oh, meron din pala. Wow! What you gonna say? Baba! Baba, what you gonna say?
Kaibigan, you get one?
You got one call?
No. There's one right there.
Did you say thank you? Zachary, TJ, did you say thank you?
All the way around.
Yeah. May chewing gum siya.
Maybe the other one.
Baba, your clothes, ha? Careful. Yung mga bata, pupunta sila sa isang room doon sa room nila. Kylie, para doon sila manood kasi dito nanonood sila ng showdown ng football. So dito yung mga adults. Tapos ako yung kumain. We're gonna close the vlog and look what Sophie did to Holly's face. What Sophie did to your face, Baba? Let me see.
Makeup.
Makeup, let me see. Wait, oh, wow. Wait, let me see. Come here, show to the people. Para kang zombie, Baba. Come here. Look at your eyeliner here. Say good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Thank you. Please like.
Bye-bye.
Oh, come on. Please like.
This one. See you next. Cooking.
Vlog. Say vlog.
Cooking.
Cooking daw. Okay, boys. Good night. Good night. Si Jan naghuhugas doon. Good night, Han. Siya naglilinis dito, oh. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Good night. So, eto pala yung view namin sa gabi. What's that, Baba?
I'm playing the boys' bed.
Ah, you're sleeping at Kuya's bed. So, yan ang view. Hindi nyo makikita, pero ayan. City area.